Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use multiple accounts on Clash Royale. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Clash Royale game on your device and wait until it is fully loaded. Once the game is done loading, you will be taken to the home screen, which is the battle page by default. Now, once you're on this page, if you have already completed the tutorial, then you will already have your account, which is mostly associated with your Google Play account. So in that case, you already have one account connected to your game. In order to add another account, you simply need to tap on the menu icon at the top right corner underneath Gems, and then you will find Supercell ID. Just go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be able to find the login as well as register button. If you already have a Supercell ID, you can tap on the login button and then tap on the continue button to start logging into your account. Simply enter your email address and then tap on the login button, and you will be asked to enter your password. After entering both your email address and your password, you will be logged into your Supercell game ID. And now you can also use your Supercell ID to connect and play your game. And there you have it. That is how you can use multiple accounts on your game on Clash Royale. However, make sure that you clear your data first before using a different account, or all of your account achievements will be shared with both accounts. And that is how you can use multiple accounts on this game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.